Unpacking software. Use compression software to unpack the compressed file to a directory on the computer. Installing the card issuer. Insert one end of the USB adapter cable into the card issuer HT68SIC09. Insert the other end into a USB port on the computer. Open the card issuer driver folder in the root directory of this software. Double-click on card issuer driver.exe. Click on Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Software login. Open the root directory of this software. Double-click on Trudian Security Management Center Platform.exe. Enter the initial account, ADMIN, and password 123456 on the Login button.